Huh? How fun is that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Really? I'm sure you're right about that.
Want to tell me about Daddy's presents? What's it look like?
Noah? You're not supposed to tell. Yes, you helped pick it out and pay for it. I didn't think you were going to tell.
Were you there with Daddy when he got it?
You made it. What?
Are you telling the truth?
It's the cottage cheese he's talking about.
Oh, yeah. You've had a lot of that lately.
You make cottage cheese for Mommy? Mm-hmm.
Pretty good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. It's so nice of you. Right. Yeah. Well, I thought you had it wrapped. You didn't? Oh, you bagged it? That's good.
Did you get Grandma and Grandpa anything?
Oh, now you're going to be all quiet. You're not going to tell them what you got them?
Oh, you know you're going to put this online, don't you? Oh. Got a little spit up, a little drool.
Yeah. Drool pictures.
Just the thing for that.
Here.
Yeah.
You're Mr. Present Spoiler. Oh, you think you're the best present, huh?
You're right. You're right.
Yeah. Should we wrap you?
You think you fit in a box?
That's what you think about that, huh?
Huh. Don't like that idea, huh? Spit on that idea.
No bag? Box?
What about
Okay.
tissue paper?
Oh, yeah?
Which color? We've got red, green, and white. Which one will you choose? That's a tough one, isn't it? Is that green? I think he said green.
Green? Okay.
We don't have blue, baby. We don't have yellow either.
That's a good Wildcat fan, though.
Yeah, go blue.
What's your pick, Noah? Louisville or Kentucky? Who's winning today?
Cats, that's right.
That's
Go
right.
Cats.
Good boy. That's a good boy.
Blue, yes, go blue.
Yeah, you're ready to watch the game, aren't you?
Go.
Oh, I know.
Let's go.
Okay, let's watch the game.